Montessori doesn't have rewards. They don't have tests and stuff, right? So how do parents get that validation that my child is actually learning?
Test is for whom? First question. A child 3 to 6 years, why do we need to test their knowledge at that point of time? There's no point in testing their knowledge. So in Montessori, what we have is something called as observation again, which I said. So we have parent observation. Any Montessori school is supposed to conduct a parent observation.
Okay.
Basically, we have 3 trimesters. The first and last would be the observation, and the middle one would be a normal PTM kinds. So the first one, when they come in, they'll see how the child is, right? What all activities the child is doing. Last trimester, when they come in, they see where the child has reached already.
Okay.
This child, in terms of, if I have to say, practical life activities, was doing very simple, like, transferring, scoping, sponge transfer and all those. Now has moved ahead to chandan paste, polishing brass, polishing mirror. That gives you an idea. Sensorial again, same way. But the cylinder blocks which we have, most of them would be knowing that.
Yeah.
If the child has advanced more to constructive triangles, these are all materials. So when the child has advanced, that gives an idea for the parent as well, where the child has reached.
So technically, you're not actually putting that pressure of
On the
tests
child.
on the child.
Yes.
The parents can just come and watch.